Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 12.2, the next part of chapter 12. In exercise 12.1, we use Heron's formula to find area of triangle. In exercise 12.2, we use Heron's formula again, but we find area of quadrilateral. Okay, so start exercise 12.2. Question first. A park is in shape of quadrilateral A, B, C, D, has angle C is equals to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. Then how much area does it occupy? First draw a quadrilateral A, B, C, D in which angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C, point C is fixed because angle C is 90 degree and the remaining points A, B, C and D are A, B, C and D. It is quadrilateral A, B, C, D. AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. You have to find area of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. But Heron's formula used only in triangle. So what we do? Here we join BD. Join BD. So quadrilateral ABCD divide it into two triangles. Quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two triangles and area of triangle we find by Heron's formula and other half base into height. Triangle BCD is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Then by using PGT, we have to find side BD. What is PGT? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Then in triangle BCD, by using PGT, BD square, hypotenuse square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BC 12 meter and CD 5 meter. 12 square 144, 5 square 25. Adding 144 and 25 we get 169 and here is BD square. BD is equal to root of 169. When we remove square, then in RHS we get square root. Root of 169 is 13. BD is equal to 13 meter. We get BD is equal to 13 meter. Now we find area of triangle ABD. We have all three sides. So area of triangle ABD is by using Heron's formula and area of triangle BCD. We can also find area of this triangle by Heron's formula. But we know that area of right angle triangle is half base into height. You have two options for triangle BCD. Either you can use Heron's formula or you can half base into height. So here for triangle BCD I use half base into height. Area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base into height. Half base 12 or height 15, 5, 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30 meter square. Area of triangle BCD is 30 meter square. Area of triangle BCD 30 meter square. Area of triangle BAD. Area of triangle ABD by Heron's formula. Heron's formula is S is equal to A plus B plus C upon to A, B and C are three sides. A is equal to 9, B 12 and C is equal to 8 upon 2. 12 plus 8, sorry, here is 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 or 9, 30. 30 upon 2. S is equal to 15. We get S is equal to 15. Now area. Area is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Value of S. S is 15. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 13 and 15 minus 8. 15 minus 9, 6. 15 minus 13, 2. 15 minus 8, 7. Factors 15, 6. 15 factors of 15, 3 5s are 15. Factors of 6, 3 2s are 6. Factor of 2, not possible. 2 is prime number and 7 is also prime number. So factors of 2 and 7 are not possible. Now pairs, pair of 3, so 3 fit pair of 2. Remaining numbers are 5 and 7. Multiply 3 2s are 6 or root 5 7 are 35 meter square. Area of triangle ABD is 6 root 35 meter square. We have to find value of root 35. Value of root 35 by using division method. 35 square. So we use 5 square. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 25 minus 10. 5 plus 5 10. फिर पॉइंट लगाएंगे हम, यहाँ पे 2 zeros आ जाएंगे. 10 के साथ में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लिखें कि 1000 आ जाए. तो यहाँ पर हम 9 लिख के देखते हैं. 9 9 जा 81 और 9 1 जा 9. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे जैसे ही 10 लिखेंगे तो नंबर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमको सिर्फ क्या लिखना है 9. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 9 और यहाँ पर भी 9 और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 981. तो रूट ऑफ 35 इज 5.9. 6 into 5.9. Multiply 6 into 5.9. We get 35.4 meter square. Area of triangle BCD is 35.4 meter square. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle BCD 30. Area of triangle ABD is 35.4. Adding 30 and 35.4, we get 65.4 meter square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is 65.4 meter square. So if you have given quadrilateral, then we divide quadrilateral in two parts, two triangles. Then find area of these two triangles. Then by adding these two triangles, we get area of quadrilateral ABCD. Question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, DA 5 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. Here we have given all sides and one diagonal. So we can find area of this quadrilateral very easily by using Heron's formula. First we draw quadrilateral A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D. AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, and DA is 5 centimeter. And AC, diagonal AC is given 5 centimeter. We have all sides of triangle, so we can find area of triangles by Heron's formula. First we find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. Okay, S is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5. ABC, 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. 12 upon 2 6. S is equal to 6. Area is equal to root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now value of S is 6 and 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5. We put all the values of A, B and C. 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, and 6 minus 5, 1. Factors of 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Factors of 3 is not possible because 3 is prime number. Factors of 2 is not possible. 2 is also prime number. Or 1, we can use 1. Either use or not. कोई इसमें फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर आप 1 को लिखो चाहे मत लिखो. यहाँ पर 2 के पैर बन रहे हैं तो 2 रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा. 2 और 3 का भी पैर बन रहा है तो 3 भी रूट से बाहर आ जाएगा. 3 2s are 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो हमारे पास में एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC आ गया है 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब हमें फाइंड करना है एरिया ACD. एरिया ऑफ ACD. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ACD by Heron's formula. S is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, 14 upon 2, 7. S is equal to 7. Area is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Value of S. Value of S is 7. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4, and 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 4 3, 7 minus 5 2. Pair of only here 2 is in pair, so value of 2 is getting outer from root, or 7 into 3. 7 into 3 21, so we get 2 root 21. Now we have to find root 21 by division method. 21 हम कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर करेंगे 21 आ जाए तो 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. माइनस करने पर कितना मिलेगा हमको 5, 4 plus 4 8. फिर पॉइंट लगाएंगे, यहाँ पे लगाएंगे 2 0. 8 के साथ में हम ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लिखें कि 500 आ जाए. आपको पहले 5 लिख के देखना है. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 और 42. 425 आ रहे हैं. एक बार हम 6 लिख के देख लेते हैं. 6 6s are 36, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50 और 51. ये ज्यादा हो गया, इसका मतलब कि ये राइट है. तो यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पर भी 5 और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 425. सो वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 21 इज 4.5. तो यहाँ पर लिख देंगे 2 into 4.5. सो 2 into 4.5 9.0 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Adding area of both triangles. First triangle 6, second triangle 9. Total area is 15 centimeter square. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is 15 centimeter square.